How's it?
Hey.
Why leave a garden? Leave a rega gamar.
Hey, Smaren. Witi mudi mupe.
Where is the owner?
Come here.
I'm coming. We are going to fight and it's open to stop everything. Stop everything, my brother. We will speak to the employer. I've got all the rights. You will know it better. You've got all the rights. You've got all the rights. I'm telling you. That's nonsense. That's nonsense. I'm telling you that's nonsense. Workers, you are abusing these workers. That's an abuse of workers. I'm saying that's an abuse of workers. You can't do this. This brother is a chef. He must work in the chef. He's not a gardener. Why do you do this with black people? That's nonsense. I'm telling you that's nonsense. That's nonsense. That's nonsense. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't. That's nonsense. This, that's what you're doing with the people. I'm telling you, that's nonsense. These are not gardeners. I'm saying that these are not gardeners. These are not gardeners.
You know, we are just helping you guys. This is wrong. It's gonna happen.
These people are not gardeners. You can't tell chef that if I'm wrong, you have a procedure to follow. Yeah, then that's fine. You have a procedure to follow.
So you guys saw the video that I just put in here. Okay. Hopefully nobody strikes me because the church striked me for that church video. You know the lady that was tweeting the Bible from the pastor? They gave me a strike. I hope that in that church, when they are trying to collect Ogweshumi, that the members of the church next week are all broke, that the only money that will be in their pagat emnigelweni would be 10 rand, because they gave me a strike, and that for the next 3 months all of the members of the church don't give anything until that strike that they put on my channel is gone. But anyway, you guys, you saw this video here. I was trying to see if this guy was identified, like who he is, but I can't find that information. Anyways, you guys, this was in an area where stairs is, and these guys were cleaning outside of the building. Basically, they were being used as gardeners. It wasn't even inside of the proper, it's like the outside next to the street. And the way that they saw that these were workers from stairs is because they were wearing a uniform. And so this guy obviously was saying that it is not right for the owner of that stairs franchise to be using these workers like that. You know, how do you hire somebody as a chef and then use them as a gardener? How do you hire somebody as a waiter and then you use them like that? But obviously, you guys, people are desperate for jobs. People are desperate for jobs, that sometimes there are things that you are going to do at work when you are, but this is wrong, but to keep my job, let me just do this one thing, because maybe the guy said, guys, please do me a favor, all of you, because Vela go busy, please clean outside. And the guys cleaned outside. You could hear that guy when he asked them, why be clean, if I understood correctly, and he was like, only God knows why they are cleaning the garden. Now, you guys, in terms of the way that this guy handled this situation, I would like to hear how you guys feel about it in the comment section. But I like the way that he stood up for these guys. I didn't like it when he was throwing the amafosholo and all of that. I feel like he was just doing extra. But you know, sometimes when you're angry, honey, you just have to, you know, just give signs that, listen, this is really wrong. But I didn't like when he did that. But I did like the fact that he could do that for these guys, because I do think that even if that owner or that manager tries to do that next time, even if he does it, but at the back of his mind, he will be he will remember that it is wrong to do that to people. I don't know, you guys. I'm the kind of person that no matter how desperate I am for a job, but I'm just not doing such. Like, I'm that person that don't make no cup of coffee for the boss. I don't care how much the boss likes the coffee and he is arriving in the morning and I'm in the kitchen making my own coffee. I'm just that person. I'll be like, good morning, boss. I'm going to my desk, honey, to drink my own. I'm just that person, you guys. And I'm lucky that I've never had a boss that actually would say, Daddy, would you make me a cup of coffee? Because we would have a problem, because I'd be like, but why should I make you a cup of coffee? It will be a friendly conversation, but I'll be asking, I don't even at my house. Like, I don't like making people cup of coffees, okay? Now I'm at work and I'm making now I must make the boss the coffee. I'm just that type of a person. So I do wonder, guys, if I had a job where somebody was asking me to do something that is really out of what I have been hired to do, how I would be able to handle that situation. I think the reason that people are able to do all of that, in South Africa, it is because people are desperate for jobs. So it's very easy to exploit people. And some people can be like, okay, I will take this, just this little bit of exploitation as long as I can keep my job. Sometimes people have to do that so that they can just have something to eat. And it is not fair that people use that, you know, to exploit people. But anyway, you guys, let's meet in the comment section. Tell me what you think about how this one guy handled this situation. Thank you so much. Nintanda Kako.
Don't do that.
Go inside. You must never do that.
I am the boss.
You won't do it, man. Don't worry. You won't do it. Not when I'm still alive in this country.
Stop touching me.
No, I'm saying not when I'm still alive in this country. Workers are looking to suffer.
I'm from Zimbabwe. I will construct them. I get it. That's what you do.
Hey!
That's nonsense. What is this? How are you? You are still fine?
You don't do that. You really don't do that. Just sit down with them.
I don't have time to sit down with him.